Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new episode of Cypher and Cypher's channel! Alright, so today we have a special review. We finally have the Jurassic World Rebirth Tail Thrasher Spinosaurus. Finally. It's not supposed to be out yet, but we have it already. Of course, we're gonna compare to the Epic Attack Spinosaurus and the from the Jurassic World original line. I'm not sure if this is a dino rival or from the original Spinosaurus, the very first Spinosaurus. It has no sound. None, whatever. Doesn't have the battle damage. The blue one has it. We have it downstairs, but we decided not to grab it. So this one has a feature opening mouth, like the Dino Escape. It's just a paint job. Okay, so here's the first Spinosaurus. And then we have the Epic Attack. This came out like a year ago. This one has the ability to... There we go, you push that, it has a light, but it's too bright outside here. You push the button and the sail. There you go. Also has lights, but you just can't see, it's too bright, like I said. And then it has a DNA scan over here on its tail. If you move the hand up, the mouth opens up with a sound. There you go, and this one too. On its right arm. But for some reason it's not going back. It has a battle damage right there. Anyways, they forgot to paint the dew claw right there. Alright, so we're gonna bring out our brand new Spinosaurus. Let's put this over here. We're gonna compare it. And I forgot to show you the DNA scan of this guy. There you go. Let's put this aside and we will bring out our... It's huge, guys. There you go. It is a big boy. You can see the sails have spines or spikes on it now. All the way in its tail. Definitely a swimmer. Alright, let's check the back. There you go. It has a swinging tail strike. You push it 3 times. It swings and jumps. And we have, of course, the Mosasaurus here. We already pre-ordered this back in February. It will be out. It says June 1st. Now we are gonna try it. So just push it 3 times, it says. 1, 2. There you go. It swings and bites. Very nice. Alright, we're gonna unbox it right now. Very sweet, guys. Whoops, let's check on the bottom first. It says 2024. Don't know why, but okay. Another one. Yeah, oh, the legs, well, because it's a large figure. It is a large figure. Uh-oh. We're gonna go in the bottom. Oh no. Looks like it was glued. Oh no, they glued it. Okay, there it is. You just have to twist this, and it is revealed. One more. Yes! And there's the DNA scan for you guys. I doubt it'll work though. I don't think the app hasn't been updated yet. Let's put this aside. Safarat, can you give me a hand here, please? Yes. Thank you. There you go. We will. Alright, so let's check on the leg. The claws on the bottom are actually separated now. We won't get any scratches. You can tell. Right there. There's the sound. There's the tail, really thick tail. Looks like an eel. The body of an eel.
No, like an eel.
Look at that, huh? Compared to the rest of the variants of this Spinosaurus, totally different.
Different side.
Yeah. And the sail as well. Totally different now. You can see the sail in. I don't know which one's better for you guys, but I would still go to the Epic Attack. This one as well. The original Spinosaurus. We also can't wait for the Hammond Collection Spinosaurus coming out soon. The teeth are made of rubber. Really, it doesn't need to get scratched anymore. Look at that, different kind of layer. Look at the mouth. The other side. Let's try it one more time. There you go. Look at that, huh? Isn't that amazing? Oh, wow. The tip, it looks like a fish.
Yeah, you talk about like eel.
I know. Okay, there's no sound if you move the arms. Nothing. Definitely brand new sculpt of a Spinosaurus. Really nice. It is a nice piece. So there should be another Spinosaurus like this that comes with a boat, I believe, or 2 humans. A smaller one, a smaller variant of this Spinosaurus though.
Yeah, it's small. I like to let them.
So yeah, that's it for the day, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We still have what, the Nasutoceratops and the Utahraptor to go. And probably I'm gonna go hunting for that Stygimoloch Hammond collection soon. Well, I've heard that it's already out to some targets. Alright, guys. Oh, change. I don't know who's got a better face.
This is a better picture.
Who's got a better facial there? 2 variants of a Spinosaurus. Let's check the other one, the original Spinosaurus. Who looks more terrifying? Yep. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much. You guys have a good Memorial Day weekend. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Au revoir. One more. Look at that.